This is Narayana. Today topic is CAN protocol. So many of them are asking, bro, tell me the CAN protocol. What is the is one of the embedded system. So I will explaining today onwards the total what is the CAN and what are the uses of CAN in automotive domain or embedded domain. So I will explain one by one. Okay. Introduction. The CAN stands for Control Area Network. It is an asynchronous serial communication protocol. Okay. Introduced in the year of 1983, here not 86, 93 by the Robert Bosch. In CAN protocol is a message based protocol. So in this message based protocol, it will transmit from messages. Okay, I will explain you once again the what is the message, how it will transmit. I will explain in further classes. Okay, CAN protocol is a message based protocol, not an address based. Means transmitting the data is available for all nodes, and it receives the choice to receive the data or not. For example, if you send a message to your friend what you will do, your message is not getting or not, or your messaging sending or not, we are checking, right? So the same way we can receive our data or not, we can check receiver to receive the data or not. Okay, in CAN nodes are connected on two wires, which is CAN high and CAN low twisted pair cable. For example, if a CAN node is nothing but a two wires, okay, in these two wires we are twisting the CAN high, which is CAN high and CAN low twisted pair cables. Terminates with 120 ohm resistors to prevent the reflections. What are the reflections we getting? So some noise is happening in transmission. So this type of noise is avoiding, we are using 120 ohm resistors in both ends. Okay, next, here I will give the definition of CAN. Okay, CAN is a communication protocol between the ECUs in the form of frames. It will transmitting form of frames. Okay, the ISO of CAN is 11898. It is an ISO certified number. Okay, CAN developed in Bosch in the year of 1983. I said that 1986, right? So please correct it, 1983. 1983 immediate uh, implemented in the Mercedes-Benz or dilemma. First we used in Mercedes-Benz or and dilemmas. Okay, the speed of CAN is 1 Mbps per second. Okay, the CAN length is 40 meters only. It will can transmit 8 bytes of data. Okay, CAN is a two-wire interface. I said again, the CAN is two-wire interface or twisted pair. CAN network consisted of twisted pair wiring between the CAN nodes, CAN high and CAN low standards with the 120 ohm resistors. ECU is nothing but a node. Okay, CAN is nothing but CAN bus. What is asynchronous and non-zero means? I said CAN is in a asynchronous serial communication protocol, right? So I am explaining what is asynchronous, what is non-zero. Okay, today I will explain these two and I will end on this session today. Okay, CAN is a serial asynchronous non-return to zero protocol. Here asynchronous means there is no external clock signals involved here, so it is based upon time quanta. Because asynchronous means here there is no clock signal. For example, um, we are doing one work, it will based upon time, right? Some time it will take some time, but in CAN we cannot measure the time to external clock signals to based upon CAN working, based upon CAN working. Asynchronous based on a time quanta. So non-return to zero. Okay, non-return to zero means here the data will transmit continuously. Okay, continuously. For example, you are giving data 8 bits of data, you are giving 8 bits as a zeros. what will happen? 8 zeros. There is no means bit stuffing will happen. In this bit stuffing means I will explain you the bit stuffing, what is the bit stuffing, how it get and how it overcome this. Okay, I will explain you. What is data transmission is not synchronized with external clock signals. Yeah, yeah, I said that right. So data, when we transmitting the data, it will not synchronized with external clock signals. Okay, it will does not uh, used external clock signals. So it is an asynchronous protocol. And non-return to zero means when we transmitting the number of bits, okay, in continuous number of bits, after the fifth bit will be inversion of sixth bit, inversion of fifth bit. So there is a bit stuffing will happening. So I will explain you what is bit stuffing, how it is happening. Okay, this is the today's session. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Who are getting new persons, please like, share and subscribe for the more videos. If you have to, if you want any techniques or any module explanations, please comment in comment section. I will reply your message and I will make a video from that topic. Okay, if you want any topic, please comment in comment section. Thank you for watching.